Cross Country Road Show. RJR Gleaner has what you came for.
Welcome to the RJR Gleaner Cross Country Invasion highlights, where the focus is on Region 4. Gospel service saw the Central Brothers of Central Tabernacle in Westmoreland thrilling the congregation with their selection. Throughout the week, Radio Outside broadcasts kept the momentum in Westmoreland, Hanover, and St. James. To start off the weekend, Hits 92 FM held the Street Jam in Green Island, Hanover, with exciting performances from RDX, Starlup, Ricketeats, and Unknown Gringo.
I love the venture, I love the cross country adventure. That's what we call it. We don't call it the invasion, the adventure.
I must commend you guys because a whole heap of artists, a whole heap of young artists come on the store here and benefit from it, you know, you see me? And I would say to a lot of artists to come back and give back, you know.
I just the energy, the realness, and the people them just want the interaction and just feel the vibes of me I feel.
Plus, local lyrical kings and queens got the chance to win $10,000 in cash.
Let it go! Wow!
Stage was set for the Family Fun Day at Godfrey Stewart High School, which had an array of activities and also saw Radio Jamaica out with its I Stand campaign. Also on Saturday, the Cross Country Road Show made stops in Sam Sharp Square, Lucy, Negril, and Little London with performances from Shane E., Busy Signal, Maca Diamond, Rhoda Isabella, Moyan, among others.
Don't find them stairs so high. I don't find them stairs so high. Hey, Moby, I want to help me sing that part. I got some wine of ice. Guess what? Empty barrel I make nice and them. Don't step to Moby because all of the dog them a real max my day. Yeah. Some of one piece of metal and a post, but them no bother man from nowhere. Yes, look here on this flank and moon seal them a book. Tell them how to find them stairs. Well,
this is the illusion. Let me see if I can really impress this third family. Can you see a shit on your face and your body what you feel? Let me tell you something. You see the ring, getting one up on your
But the press road push to start, yo. And money can buy what me want. All different lifestyle is a life me a talk about. House for the hill, bed shop park up. But the press road push to start, yo.
Now this week is the big finale for the RJR Gleaner Cross Country Invasion as we conquer Region 5 in Trelawney, St. Anne, and St. Catherine. Throughout this week, look out for your favorite radio personalities. And then this Friday, March 6th, get ready for the final Street Jam in Monique, St. Anne. Then Saturday, March 7th, the final hurrah gets underway with the Cross Country Road Show and our Family Fun Day at Dint Hill Technical High School. See you on the road as we celebrate our village, our island.
Brought to you by Cal's Manufacturing. Cal's, where quality joins affordability. Ministry of Health, Jamaica Moves. More moments, more memories, more life. National Chalk Sandwich Cookies. Grab one pack, have it all, till it's done. Digicel Foundation. Together we create a world where no one is left behind. Montego Bay Convention Center. Functional, flexible, focused. Rose Hall Development. A whole new world. Jamaica Customs. Country above self. Island Aries. Island Aries is Jamaica's BEST best. Guardian General. Get there safely with Guardian General Insurance. Financial Services Commission, promoting integrity in the financial sector.